Alright guys, what is up? It has been years and years and years since I've been on this channel with an actual RC car. But today we have the Traxxas Maxx on our bench today, when we got a few upgrades that we're going to be doing to it. I've had this truck for probably about a month now. I've been getting back into RC. If y'all may have not known, I have been taking a little bit of a break from it, I guess, for about 9 years. Now I think haven't had any RC things in probably about a good 4 years now, but I have overall taken about a 9-year break. So now we're getting back into it. So we do have a Traxxas Maxx, we have a TRX4 K5 Blazer, we have two 1/16 on-road cars, and then we do, for my wife, we do have a two-wheel drive kit slash. So we did purchase a kit, and she was able to put that together and stuff so that she knew a little bit about, doing stuff to them. So I know I'm a bad guy for making her build a whole truck for her first one, but who knows, right? Anywho, we do have some goodies for the Maxx today. If you look, this is a V1 Traxxas Maxx. It does not have any upgrades to it whatsoever right now. It still runs the stock Valenian 540 size 4S system that comes with them, with a Traxxas 4-cell lipo. This thing has seen better days whenever it has come to and the screws are rusty, it's got dirt on it. It has seen better days for sure. Probably needs more shock fluid in some of the shocks. But today we have two upgrades for it that we're going to be doing. We have the Widemaxx kit, and this is actually a version 1 Widemaxx kit, so it doesn't come with the drive shaft. So I hope it's going to be a good upgrade. If not, we'll just order some drive shafts. It's no big deal, right? So yeah, the only thing doesn't come with drive shafts. The rest of it is going to be pretty straightforward. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to throw up a time lapse. I'm not showing you guys how to do this stuff just because there is about 35 different videos online showing you how to do the Widemaxx conversion on the Traxxas Maxx. So essentially all we're going to be doing is changing out arms, links, and we're going to be taking the rear springs, putting them on the front of the truck, and then it does come with more springs in the package so that we can put those on the rear shocks, obviously. So that's legitimately all we're going to be doing. I do have a little bit of a surprise upgrade at the end. We're going to be getting rid of these stock V1 tires. Let's jump into the time lapse, and I will let y'all see how you like it so far. So just before I do the other side, this is going to be the main difference. So you're adding about an inch and a half, maybe 2 inches with the Widemaxx kit. So of course with those and some more tires, we're going to have some length. It does look like drive shafts are going to be an issue though. They're going to work, but I do think that they're going to break a hell of a lot easier, especially whenever we get rid of those tires and put new ones on there. It's not going to be the greatest. So drive shafts are probably coming next. Stay tuned. Anyway, let's get back to the install. Alright, so we got the front done. All we got to do is do the back and then do the shocks. So I'm not going to bore you with that because the back is going to be pretty much the same, and the front is going to be, let's jump to it being done. Alright guys, so we're just finishing up putting on the kit. We have both front and rear done. All we're doing now is we're going to go ahead and adding the tires. And so I managed to find some of these Badland 3.8s. These are with the Desperado wheels. These are an old style Badlands, and I was able to find a pair for pretty cheap. So that's what's going to be going on. These are the 3.8 versions of these tires, and that's what's going to go on the truck. So I'm going to throw these on, and we're going to jump outside and see what the truck looks like, because I know I haven't really done a whole good job of showing it off here other than time lapse. So let me throw these on, get out there. So this has been my upgrade video on the Widemaxx upgrade for the V1 Traxxas Maxx. Stay tuned for a running video. If you like this, please comment, subscribe, and drop a like. I will see y'all in the next one. Welcome back.